Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport coolant leak and what may be causing it. A coolant leak in the Ford EcoSport generally refers to the gradual or sudden loss of engine coolant, which can lead to rising engine temperatures or warning messages if left unaddressed. Verified technical information shows that coolant leaks in the EcoSport can vary by model year, engine configuration, mileage, and prior maintenance, so the issue does not affect every vehicle in the same way. In documented cases across different EcoSport generations, coolant leaks may be associated with aging rubber hoses, coolant reservoir wear, or sealing surfaces that degrade over time due to heat cycles. On some engines, cooling system connections and clamps can loosen or deteriorate with mileage, which may allow coolant to escape under pressure. In certain situations, internal component wear could also be a contributing factor, although this depends heavily on engine type and service history. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions typically focus on identifying the exact source of the leak through pressure testing or visual inspection. Replacing worn hoses, addressing damaged seals, or repairing affected cooling system components are common corrective steps, but the appropriate fix depends on the confirmed cause and should not be assumed without inspection. Owner feedback trends from verified automotive sources indicate that some coolant leaks develop gradually over time rather than appearing suddenly, especially as vehicles age. However, the frequency and severity can differ widely depending on driving conditions, climate, and maintenance practices. In conclusion, a Ford EcoSport coolant leak can have multiple verified causes, and not every model year or engine is affected in the same way. Proper diagnosis is essential to prevent overheating and further engine damage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.